In the last video, we saw how to clone a repository from GitHub to a local machine using Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Now, I'm going to make some changes to the index.html file and push it to GitHub through VS Code. VS Code comes with a built-in Git extension for source control management. If you open the extension, you can see options to commit recently made changes. Let me write a commit message, which will help us identify the changes we made to this particular commit. But before committing the changes, click this plus button to stage the changes we made. Staging is nothing but marking those files to be committed. After staging, you can see the list of staged files. Only these files will go to the repository when we click the commit button. I'm selecting the commit and push option since I wanted to commit the changes, that means to save the changes, and I need to push the changes to the remote repository. Here in our case, the remote repository is GitHub. In the source control graph on the left, you can see all the commits we have made so far. We can identify each commit with the text, or in other words, the commit message we added at the time of the commit. We also can see into which branch of the repository the files are pushed. Here, the branch is main. Now, let me go to our GitHub remote repository and check our pushed changes are reached. Yes, it is there. We can identify the new changes from the commit message we gave earlier is displayed here. Let me open the index.html file to see the changes exactly updated here. The changes are updated here as we expected. Now, I'm trying to do the reverse process of what we have done. I'm editing the index file here and committing the changes. Here, no need to push as we are already in the remote repository. Just add the commit message and hit the commit changes button. Let me go to the index of our repo. There you can see the new commit is updated against the index page. How to get this new commit we made directly in the remote repository into our local machine through VS Code. Let me open VS Code, open the three-dot menu, and select the pull option. This will pull all the changes from the remote repository to our local repository or local machine. Yes, the latest code from GitHub has been reached into our local environment. In the source control graph, now we can see the commit as well as the commit message we added at GitHub. Now, let's go through each commit. When we click each commit, VS Code will open a comparison window to show the changes we made in each commit. So, that's it. Thank you.